the samples are sent by the customer, and hope we can test whether the color difference meets the standard. Well, how to measure the color difference of the paint samples? Firstly, select an appropriate spectrophotometer. Then check the black and white correction of the device. According to the requirements, the tolerance is controlled within 1. After opening the dust cover, and stick the measurement port to the surface, measure the data of the standard sample. Switch to the sample measurement page. The test result of the sample doesn't meet the standard. That's all for today's sharing. I'll share the data, the color difference detection data of the other two groups.